In this recording, we're going to take a look at how we can create a brand new contact in Salesforce Lightning. So to start, go down to Contacts, click on New. Now we're opened up with our Create Contact form. We'll start filling out the information. Just choose Save. Now we can also add additional information towards the bottom of this, but we'll go ahead and finish that up as we're creating our contact. As you can see, the contact and the account are linked. And we'll choose Save. As you can see, we've now created our brand new contact in Salesforce Lightning.